Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Gozney Arc XL, a pizza oven that promises restaurant-quality pizza right in your backyard. We'll cover everything from design and features to performance, so stick around to find out if this oven is worth your investment. Let's start with the design. The Gozney Arc XL sports a sleek, igloo-shaped exterior, which not only looks stylish but also fits well in any outdoor setting. The bone white color gives it a modern aesthetic, while the top vent design effectively prevents soot buildup, a common issue in other ovens. The Arc XL is larger than its sibling, the Arc, accommodating up to 16-inch pizzas. It's well built with sturdy materials, weighing about 58.5 pounds, which adds to its stability during use. Moving on to features, the Arc XL is powered by gas, specifically propane, which means you can fire it up quickly without the hassle of charcoal or wood. It reaches temperatures up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit in about 35 minutes, thanks to its efficient burner design and insulation. One standout feature is the integrated digital thermometer, ensuring precise temperature control without any guesswork. This is crucial for achieving consistent results whether you're baking thin crusts or deep dish pizzas. Let's talk performance. The Arc XL excels in maintaining stable temperatures, crucial for cooking pizzas evenly. The wide mouth of the oven allows for easy maneuvering of pizzas, making it simple to slide them in and out without any hassle. During testing, I found that the Arc XL delivered on its promise of professional-grade pizzas. The 16-inch capacity is perfect for larger gatherings or families who enjoy making homemade pizzas regularly. It's efficient enough to churn out pizza after pizza without losing heat or performance. So, should you buy the Gozney Arc XL? If you're looking to upgrade your pizza game with a reliable, high-performance oven that can handle large pizzas and frequent use, then absolutely. It's ideal for those who love hosting pizza nights or simply enjoy making pizzas at home without the fuss of traditional wood-fired ovens. In conclusion, the Gozney Arc XL impresses with its combination of sleek design, robust performance, and user-friendly features. While it's not the most portable option, it excels in delivering consistent, delicious pizzas with minimal effort. That wraps up our review of the Gozney Arc XL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this. Have you tried the Gozney Arc XL or any other pizza ovens? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.